What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are jumping right into this 2-year update because I am a month late. I locked up on March 1st of 2020, and as of March 1st, 2022, I am 2 years locked. So this will just be a cute little visual, not as elaborate as some of my other videos, because I just want to focus on getting content back out to you guys more regularly. So I promise that the quality and everything will return to normal, but I more so want to keep up the documentation process because that's why I started this. So I'm going to talk about the struggles and then end it on the high note. So within the last 24 months, something I've consistently mentioned struggling with is thinning around my stress spots in the perimeter, and I did kind of lose another lock. So as you'll see at some point in this video, I kind of motioned to it on my left side, and I had split that fallen lock into 2 new baby locks. I did try to reattach it, and it fell off again, so I don't know if I'm actually good at reattaching locks or just need to stop trying. So that was kind of a bummer, just, because I thought I was making progress on the problem, and it's still very much an issue. So definitely still battling thinning on the perimeter at this point. And I did have to battle some dryness, like I've mentioned before in other videos. And I know this was absolutely due to, one, some dehydration. I did get COVID and I had to recover from that. And also, probably more importantly, the bleach. So had to recoup my moisture, and I did start a new routine. Before it was kind of water or just rose water, but I did buy this lock spray that I'll talk more about probably in another video. So I've been experimenting with that and getting back on a more consistent wash schedule to try to combat that too. And also trying to lay off the manipulation. I'm really going to try to lay off of that. So that has been kind of the bumps on the road for year 2. And now to the positive. Y'all, I think my locks have dropped. I think I am very much in that it's sprouting phase, because the length retention has been just phenomenal. I'm shook. If you go to my Instagram, you can definitely see visually more of the journey, but compared to even 1 year, that lockiversary, there's just been so much droppage. My back is almost like curling at the ends now because it's actually hitting my neck, and it's just coming along. I'm retaining a lot of length, even with the thinning at the edges and stuff. So I'm really, really grateful for that. Other than that, I have just completed a retie at the time that I'm recording this voice note, but some of these clips are prior to the retie. And I have just noticed that my hair is just growing so fast, and I'm getting a little bit, the reties are becoming more of a challenge. They're taking longer for some reason. So I'm going to count that as a good and bad thing. I have a lot of new growth with my reties, but also reties are tiring. So it kind of sucks that it's taking longer lately. But also, there's a lot of factors as to why that might be. And other than that, not too many other changes. As you know, I now have color treated locks. I, again, am on a more low manipulation journey, at least until my birthday, and just working on staying internally hydrated and keeping these babies moisturized and healthy and strong, because that's more important than length. And so I'll keep documenting this and hopefully be back with more regular updates. I do apologize. It's just been such a crazy couple months. So yeah, thank you guys though. Again, these were established March 1st of 2020. And as of March 1st, 2022, I am 2 years locked, and so grateful. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the changes, if you notice anything. And I will be back soon with another update.